Hello everyone. You all are welcome to this lovely channel where we discuss about astrology, palmistry and spirituality. Now this is a very special session as we are going to discuss about this social media outage and Mercury retrograde, right? Now, this Mercury retrograde has made us realize the importance of the real time communication. And Mercury is a planet of communication, social media, all your apps, and it's also a planet of connection, right? Mercury is the god of communication. So, during this Mercury retrograde, we all had troubles related to our social media accounts, specifically related to your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, they all were not working around that time period. Now the Mercury became retrograde on September 27th and it will stay retrograde till the October 18th. Now this is a gentle reminder that during the Mercury retrograde we have to be very conscious and aware about our communication, about our discussions. And Mercury retrograde is definitely at times is a time when we miscommunicate the things. Hello everyone. Hello. My lovely audience, right? So during this Mercury retrograde, as this is a planet of swift movement, trade and commerce related to air element, and also specifically related to our modes of communication, social media, right? This Mercury retrograde has made us realize the importance of real friends, not just social media friends, also the real friends. This Mercury retrograde is like a reality check, right? Because it has come into the earth sign of Virgo from past 2 days, placing along with natural malefic Mars and Sun. It is strongly aspected by the North Node, that is Rahu, from the sign of Taurus. And when this social media went down, the sign of Taurus and North Node placing in it was in the first house, in the rising house, right? And it was strongly aspecting this Mercury. Mercury is also known by the name of Hermes in the Greek mythology, the god of communication, the god of mischievousness, right? And when the Rahu is aspecting this Mercury, it makes it mischievous, right? It makes it more unpredictable. And this is why the social media outage happened and everything was down, right? And I would say that another thing during the retrogrades, we have to be more conscious about our communication. We do not have to be overwhelmed related to things, and we have to be more calculative, right? While taking the things, while taking the risk. And secondly, it is in this earth sign of Virgo, which is telling about the real time things, real time connections, staying grounded, staying more aligned, right? It is telling about all these things. And to remove your hurdles and obstacles during this retrograde, it is important to chant the mantra of Goddess Ganesha. Om Gam Om. Om Gam Om. Simple mantra. And during this time, make sure that you are staying very balanced. And those of you who are not into share market or who are not experts into share market or any kind of investments, I would say that you should avoid going for investments or going for making money during the retrogrades. Yes, if you are an expert, if you are a professional, that's a different thing, but generally for everyone, things will be bit fluctuating up and down in this time period, right? Because the planet Jupiter, which is placing into the sign of Capricorn again in retrogression, and the planet Saturn is looking up to this conjunction, looking up to this Mercury, right? And another thing what you have to do is that you have to maintain your optimism in this time period, right? So, this social media outage or social media getting down is just a gentle reminder that we need to focus on the real time things. We need to focus on what is existing, right? We need to focus on moving out. As I've always talked in my Mercury retrograde, that you should spend more time in nature, you should spend more time in learning, you should spend more time in improving your skills, right? And this can be a good time for the ones who are working into media, social media, for the ones who are working into marketing, who are the ones who are working into creative professions. It can be a good time. And you will also see a lot of miscommunication by the media in the coming times, right? Even in this time, right? And even in the coming times. So, as I've always talked about it, that even the big tech companies or the big companies, they plan their launches, they plan their sales during the Mercury retrogrades, right? During the Mercury retrograde season, because people feel this urgency to spend their money, to put their money somewhere, to buy those products, to buy those things, as if those are urgently needed to them, right? So it's more important to think before spending your money, before investing your money during this time period. Hello, Hanchal. Right? So you have to stay in balance around this time, and specifically during the retrogrades, you have to make sure that you are keeping your mind very balanced, right? Because during the retrogrades, what is Mercury? Mercury is your intellect, your intelligence. You can overly run your brain all the time, right? So keep it calm, keep it relaxed. There is no urgency. Everything, give everything time. Take everything step by step in this time period. And secondly, during the retrograde, you have to chant the mantra of Lord Ganesha during this time period. And tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, if the social media is well, if the social allows me, we'll have a special reading, the new moon readings, with what happens it, right? We'll be talking about the new moon, which will be coming again in the sign of your Virgo, where your Mercury retrograde is placing, along with Mercury, Mars, and Sun, right? Let us see that how does this influence you, right? And that this will be in the in the nakshatra of Hasta, again a moon ruled nakshatra, right? So the Mercury retrograde influence is also in the sign of Virgo, and this new moon will also come in the sign of Virgo. So the Virgo risings are very, Virgo moon and Virgo risings are very strongly influenced because of this retrogression and during this new moon, right? So during this time, you have to maintain all your optimism, positivity, and alignment, right? And yes, specifically when this retrograde or when this social media went down or it wasn't working, the North Node or the Rahu was in the rising house, was in the first house, ruling or influencing this Mercury, and it will influence this Mercury in this time period all through the retrograde. So you may see a lot of fights on social media, a lot of misinformation at times, a lot of chaos and confusions being created at times, right? So be aware of it, do your diligent research into everything, and then understand the things along with it. And as we talk about this new moon which is coming into the sign of Hasta, in the sign of Virgo and the nakshatra of Hasta, this will be something very influential, as this new moon is also directly, as this new moon is also directly related to the Pitru Paksha, right? The ending of Shraddha Paksha, the time period to honor our ancestors in this time period, right? So make sure that you are doing all your donations. Make sure donations in the sense that serving people, providing food for the people, doing your chantings, the mantras, right, in this time period. And secondly, we'll be starting with new phase of Navratras. That is the most auspicious uh, time when it comes in our Vedic culture, right? That is the most auspicious time around it. And this Mercury retrograde, I again repeat it, is a gentle reminder that you need to stay grounded, you need to stay connected with your loved ones in real time, right? As it is in the sign of Virgo, you need to leave your agitation and aggression on the side, right? You need to leave your impulsive behavior on the side, right? And make sure you are in your soft and easy spirits, because this Mercury is having a lot of pressure, right? Your Rahu aspecting this Mercury, your Jupiter aspecting this Mercury, right? Lot of ethical confusions, right? Lot of confusions about what is real. And even Sun and Mars in conjunction with it, right? So a lot of strong influences. And tomorrow, or I would say on 6th, on October 6th, the moon will be joining the party during the new moon, right? So yes, this Mercury is is having a, you, what you have to do in this time, you have to keep your alignment, you have to keep yourself balanced, you have to keep yourself logical, you have to keep yourself relaxed. And yes, this may derive you towards overthinking at times, right? Taking everything coolly and lightly around this time period during this Mercury retrograde. And it's a very general discussion what we are having right now. We are not doing the readings, we'll have the readings tomorrow. Tomorrow on the new moon, which will be coming in the very same sign of Virgo where the Mercury retrograde has just transited back, right? So it's a time to reflect back on your decisions. It's a time to understand your things in a better way, in a newer light, right? About the past and improvising your things, right? In this time period. Hello, pretty brown eyes, right? All the lovely people have joined in, right? And we are talking about this social media, that how this time has made us realize that we need to connect with people and around us in the real time, right? That is very, very important for each one of us. And those of you who are new to my channel, I do have a YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's with the very same name, Astropenetia. I did a live before this on my YouTube channel, so you can go there and you can watch this the live on Mercury retrograde over there, right? Because Instagram was not working around that time. And yes, this Mercury will feel a lot of heat as it comes closer to the sign of to the planet Sun. And since all these planets, Mercury is an adolescent, he's a young guy, right? Guy or a girl, it depends on the kind of planets it is sitting with, right? So the Mercury is a young, is all about youthful energy. So whatever planet is influencing Mercury, it takes its impression, right? So now Rahu has been mischievously influencing it, right? So all the connections, all the social media, everything went down altogether, right? People may have experienced a lot of will experience a lot of fluctuation in their money, in their wealth, in the stock markets at times in this time period. So no investment, generally no investment for the during the Mercury retrograde time. Why? It can depend on each one of your individual birth chart, right? It can depend on your planets, your time period, and all the different things, but generally we avoid it during the Mercury retrograde time period because people are in a hurry during this time. They are like, oh, I can understand this thing, I should work on this thing, or I should go and be a grabber, right? But in moving few steps ahead or fast, they get they get 10 steps behind, right? So that is the trouble during the retrograde season. And yes, toning down your voice, because communication is the most important thing during the Mercury retrograde. Business trade is nothing, it is all communication, it is all your calculation and negotiation, right? And foremost, it is the communication, right? Your communication has to be good, right? And and retrograde seasons influence generally negatively influences your communication, right? Generally, the word is generally, it can depend on your specific birth charts, the way you have the planets in your birth charts. It can depend on all these things, right? But generally it influences it. And especially for the earth sign people, it can be bit energetically draining, right? As I've talked in the past, that uh you know for you it can lead to at times more than necessary expenditure. You may feel as if you need this thing, you need that thing, right? And on the other end, for the air sign, as it is influencing your you know 8th, 12th, and 4th, you this can lead to overthinking at times. This can lead to being unacceptable for of the changes at times, right? And also you may overthink and you may not take decisions. You may feel as if we need to delay it, right? Confused at times, right? So that can be a bit of a trouble for the people. And I would say that again, this Mercury retrograde is a reminder that live in the present, that live in the ground, live in reality, not on the virtual world, right? It is a reminder that you have to be grounded, you have to focus on the real time things, right? Yes, I do believe that social media is a very influential is a very strong tool, right? But this does not has to be a guiding force in our life, right? And while you're using the social media, it's a good time for marketing, presentation, or sell your products, right? Launching. And while you are using your social media, it has to be with a right intention, right? Intention matters every time, right? It has to be with a right intention in a right direction to generate your things, right? Thank you, Lehua 17. Thank you. So make sure that you are setting your right intentions. And yes, to remove those of you who are facing tough time during this time, chanting the mantra of goddess Ganesha: Om Gam Om, Om Gam Om, Om Gam Om, Om Gam Om. And this mantra will be very helpful to you, right? As I'm talking to you, I'm making this video in the Saturn time period, so I definitely know that this video will move slow, and this video will have slow likes, right? And so make sure that you are sharing more of my video and also my content during this time period. And another thing, that when I checked the Gochar or the current transits during the when the social media went down, right? The Rahu was strongly ruling the first house through and sitting in the sign of Taurus The Rahu was influencing everywhere, right? So this mischievous planet has played all its game on through the Mercury, right? Because Mercury is the main planet which was being influenced, right? So yes, make sure that you are working onto the real time things and generating everything in a positive light, right? And this Mercury retrograde, yes, had a strong connection with this social media getting down, with this Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp not working for some time, right? So take it with a lot of ease, a lot of relaxation. And as we are talking, you know, we are experiencing quite a shift in our time. We are experiencing quite a fluctuation into everything, right? Because it happens during the retrograde season, even in your emotions, even in your thought process, right? You may think something, you may overthink something, then you may think that again, right? It will happen. Just calm it down during this time period. Just calm it down, right? And as I've talked in the past, that no new initiations around this time, and yes, it depends on individual to individual according to your birth chart. In this time period, according to your birth chart, it depends according to your placements in your birth chart, the way you have your planets, right? What I am speaking right now is a general perspective for everyone, right? It's a very general perspective. And I hope that I have answered all your questions, all your queries, right? If you have any, you can write it down in the comment section. Yes, and again, this Mercury retrograde is all about your getting back to the basics, is all about understanding the things, is all about aligning yourself to the real time things, right? Is all about making yourself refocused again, right? And you can be very witty with your responses in this time, and avoid you know taking any big risk during this time, because that can lead to miscalculations. Yes. So adult uh, uh, adulkera, having 7 or 8 planets retrograde is not bad, right? Don't generalize it, right? It's not bad if they're placed well in good signs, in good nakshatras, and you have a good time period. They can be very influential, right? It can be like a bumpy roads, bumpy road. It can be the journey can be like a bumpy road leading to a beautiful destination, right? So take it, always take everything in a positive light, right? As if you are learning lessons, as if you are understanding everything, right? In this time period. Hello, Jasleen. Hello, Dashmond, right? So as if you are understanding things in your life journey, right? And yes, you cannot have 8 planets retrograde, because sun and moon do not get retrograde, right? So you can only have 6 or 7 planets retrograde at one time, right? At max, right? So right now we have 6 planets retrograde, including the outer planets, right? The Neptune, the universe, the Uranus, the your Pluto, Saturn, Mercury, your Jupiter, right? All of them. And yes, North Node, South Node, they are retrograde always, right? So that is fine, right? Even I do have very strong retrogrades in my birth chart, and I am all fine. I am enjoying the things, right? So that is just transformational. You have to learn through your lessons and you have to move forward. This is what is important. And yes, I'll repeat the remedy through this Mercury retrograde. You can simply do it on any Mercury day, that is Wednesday, right? Simply for 5 minutes chanting the name of God Ganesha. Om Gam Ganpate Nama. Om Gam Ganpate Nama with an M, not N. Om Gam Ganpate Nama. Om Gam Ganpate Nama, right? And that will have a very positive influence on your aura, that will release all the obstacles and hurdles that you are about to feel in your journey, right? Which is what is important altogether, right? So yes, again, this thing or the social media outage was a very gentle, I would love to take it in a positive light, was a very gentle and a very genuine reminder that we should start connecting with the real time things, right? Real time things, everything in real time, right? So God bless you everyone. I have spelled it the way it is: Om Gam Ganpate Namaha. Om Gam Om. Om Gam Om. Om Gam Om. Gam Om Gam Om. Om Gam Om. You just have to do this much of the. It's not Ganeshka. It's Ganesha, without a K. Right? You are doing it right. Already right. Lord Ganesha. Right? So take care, my lovely audience. Yes, Om Gam Om. I'll tag it so that each one of you can see this mantra, right? Om Gam Om. Wonderful, Adal Kira. Wonderful, right? Right? Wonderful, Adal Kira, right? See how smart and good with picking up things you are, right? Retrogrades are not bad. They're not, it's not as if, planet is moving in the backward direction. Don't misunderstand it, right? So it is that the planet is so close to the earth that it seems like when it is crossing the earth, it seems like that it is behind the sign it was earlier in, right? So it seems to be that it is again getting back to that sign, but you have to understand that the influence of that planet is very strong on you, right? During this time, during the Mercury retrograde, the Mercury has a very strong influence on you. This is why people turn out to be impulsive, hyperactive, overthinking, because Mercury is a planet of thinking, right? Hello, right? Hello, many lovely people have joined in. Hello to Feathers. So yes, hello Lotus. So yes, during the retrogrades, hello, namaste. So during the retrogrades, the influence of that planet is intense, and you have to mellow it down. You have to keep yourself calm. You have to keep yourself relaxed. You have to keep yourself at ease, right? You do not have to work on the world as a whole. You just have to work on yourself, right? Nothing more you have to do around this time, right? And try focusing more on the real time things. Why? Because it is in the grounded sign of Gemini, the grounded sign of Virgo, along with the sun and the your Mars. So it is all talking about the grounding energy, and it is in the nakshatra. Let me see, it is in the nakshatra of Chitra. Again, we had talked about it, focusing on the creative energy, focusing on your relaxed, easy, creative kind of energy, right? That is what is important. And yes, strong influence by Rahu. So maybe for next few days, people will be stunk, or people will be more into an overthinking mode, over planning, thinking, overthinking, and staying hyper and impulsive at times, right? That's a general notion. That's a general notion. If you already have a very well placed Mercury retrograde in your birth chart, it can be a booming time for you. And your time periods are good. You can have a booming time in this time, right? But this time is, again, I'll repeat it, this time is good for people working in creative fields, artistic fields, counseling, painting, and architecture, marketing, strategizing, selling products. Because I always say that during the Mercury retrogrades, big companies or big houses, big tech companies, they plan on big sales, they plan on launching their products, they plan on creating social media hypes related to different things, right? It is all these things are done during the Mercury retrograde, so that you empty your pocket, so that you spend that money, so that you feel that need to you know buy that product. Okay, I need to have this iPhone, I need to have this product. Oh my god, this sale is there, I can buy. We are being in this consumptive society, we are being trained like this, as if we need everything around us, right? That's altogether a very different and a very detailed topic on discussion about capitalism, right? So we won't get into this, right? But during the Mercury retrogrades, be very clear with your calculations, right? Be very aligned. Do not create idealistic scenarios in your mind, right? Everything, what you're going through is all idle, is all idealistic, right? It had to be this way. Take it this, be acceptful of your journey, and then improve yourself, right? That is very important. Because people, even looking at social media, even looking at different things, people have lost that sense of easiness, the sense of faith, that they feel as if they are being dragged, or their things are being dragged. You are where you have to be, right? So be acceptful of your journey, of your life process, right? And then improve your things, and then keep make take yourself in the right direction, and then improve your things. So again, many lovely people have joined in, right? So yes, we have been talking about the Mercury retrograde, how this Mercury retrograde has influenced our social media, has influenced our understanding of things. And during the Mercury retrograde, how we experience these fluctuations when the Instagram, your Facebook, WhatsApp went down, right? So yes, again, social media is a very powerful tool, is a very strong tool, right? But this Mercury retrograde made us realize that we need to focus on the real time things. What is real? What is existing? Right? We need to focus on that again and again, right? So I hope that you all have enjoyed this short chit chat with me, this short discussion with me. And now again, I repeated that start aligning yourself, start relaxing yourself, start setting yourself at ease, right? Because this Mercury retrograde is eventful, right? So start aligning yourself, start working on yourself. And yes, you can positively gain out of it this time period. And tomorrow, my lovely audience, maybe tomorrow or day after, I'll be doing the new moon readings for the month of October, right? For this moon cycle, we'll have the discussions. And guess what? This new moon is again in the sign of Virgo, along with Mercury, Sun, and Mars, right? So we'll have all the discussions. Till then, take care. God bless you. Have a very lovely evening, day, night, right? Enjoy yourself, right? Live life to the fullest. Take care. Bye bye.